Hello Pharma aspirants, welcome to GDC English classes. I hope you already know that the GDC launched its classes in English language specially for the South India Pharma students to make classes comfortable in the English language. Okay, so in the English language, GDC providing classes for GPAT, NIPER, Drug Inspector, Pharmacist, and other pharma competitive exams. Okay, so subscribe to our channel GDC English classes. So in this short video, we will discuss regarding the alpha receptors location as well as their function. So we are talking about the alpha receptor, that is adrenergic system. So adrenergic system containing alpha as well as beta adrenergic receptor belongs to G protein couple receptors. So there are mainly two types of alpha receptor, alpha 1, alpha 2, and alpha 1A, a subtype of alpha 1, alpha 1A located on the prostate gland. Excess alpha 1A function may develop prostate gland cancer. Yes, so here the signal transduction of alpha 1 receptor Z alpha Q, that is increases DAG, diacylglycerol or inositol triphosphate, and ultimately increase the calcium levels. So the alpha 1 receptor located on blood vessels produces vasoconstriction. So blood vessel containing alpha 1 receptor, so to that receptor noradrenaline will binds and increase the vasoconstriction, nothing but promote vasoconstriction that may lead to hypertension, increased BP. On eye, alpha 1 receptor causes mydriasis, dilation of pupil of eye. On urinary bladder, causes urinary retention. So the parasympathetic nervous system M3 receptor promotes urination, elimination of urine, but through alpha 1 receptor sympathetic causes retention of urine, that is promotes ADH like action, antidiuretic hormone. On kidney, alpha 1 receptor inhibit the release of renin. The beta 1 receptors present on the kidney promote renin release. The alpha 1 receptors present in the kidney decrease the release of renin. Renin is the important mediator in renin-angiotensin-aldosterone system. On the liver, in the liver, the effect of alpha 1 receptor glycosenolysis, breakdown of glycogen into glucose. Next, alpha 2 receptor signal transduction Z alpha IR not inhibitory, that is decreased adenyl cyclase or cyclic AMP levels, decreased cyclic adenosine monophosphate levels. So generally alpha 2 receptor on the CNS helps in the treatment of hypertension by inhibit the noradrenaline release, reduces sympathetic outflow to periphery, and alpha 2 receptors in the pancreas inhibit the insulin secretion. But generally parasympathetic nervous system promote insulin secretion, sympathetic nervous system decreases insulin secretion, that is release of insulin. Alpha 2 receptors on platelets promote the aggregation of platelets, vasoconstriction. On GIT decreases peristaltic movements, inhibit the acetylcholine release on parasympathetic nervous system. So this is simply the signal transduction, location, the function of alpha 1, alpha 2 receptor of adrenergic system, sympathetic nervous system. Both alpha 1, alpha 2 receptors are belongs to G protein couple receptor, also known as metabotropic receptor, serpentine receptor, 7 transmembrane heptahelical receptors. Okay, and the subtype of alpha 1 is alpha 1A present in prostate gland. So the selective blocker of alpha 1A receptor is tamsulosin for treatment of benign prostatic hyperplasia, a tumor to prostate gland. So this is simply about the alpha adrenergic receptors location, function along with their signal transduction. Okay, so like this interesting videos, subscribe to GDC English classes. Okay, thank you.